Hey you guys, come on in and join me as I create this board. It's a glam board that my niece Latiska requested. And of course, I did it Shellow's Creations way. So join me in my journey as we go through from start to finish and then reaction, because I have footage at the end of my niece receiving, opening, and her first expression and reaction for her board. So stay with me, guys. I hope she likes it. Oh yeah, baby. I've painted it that metallic. It's a rose gold. Oh yeah, that's what she requested. Another flower, sparkle, sparkle, because my niece loves sparkle. I'm not going to utilize the bow. I decided not to utilize the bow. But the two flowers that I do have on this board that I will be applying, you see the one that is still drying. Once I put them on the board, they will be so strong. They'll be able to hold necklaces. They'll be able to hold bracelets. And also the little diamond knob you see there will also be able to hold maybe some watches or some jewelry or whatever she wants to place on there. But these are going to be really, really strong and can hold a lot of stuff. So I hope you guys like this. And if so, hey, if you guys want me to make you something like this, let me know in the comment section below, because I love to create and I'm in the creating mood. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I drop videos every day. Crafts is just another thing that I love to do. Oh yeah. My niece also wanted her wire to be a little tighter so that when she hangs it up, she'll have two strips that she'll hang it on, and it will keep it flush and you won't see the wire, so it won't hang. It'll be just like a picture on a wall. All right, final coat of polyurethane. And once all this sets and cures, it's going to be in the mail with UPS to my niece, Latiska, hence the L. Positively fabulous is what she wanted. And that face on there is none other than Latiska's Lady T. Oh, yeah, baby.
Hello, everybody. So, just received another package from my sister with PromoSTK. So I went ahead and cut down the sides. So she was supposed to be making me a board to go into my glam room. So you're gonna see what it looks like together. Okay, get it open. So excited. So I finally got me like a glam room with all of my, shoes, purses, makeup, vanity, and all that kind of stuff. So I actually put that into like a personal room of mine, my glam room. So she made me a board to go in the glam room. So I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I'm gonna turn it around rather differently. It's on this side. Okay, nothing's on this side. Okay, well, I'll just go like this. Okay. It's heavy, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna take the plastic off of it. So I can show y'all. Oh, I'm looking at it. Cut the plastic off. Let me show y'all 1 second. Wow. You see? I hope the name isn't backwards on it. So it says Positively Fabulous with the happy face in the corner. We got some shoes, we got some lipsticks, and we and let's get into this rhinestone hook. And these are also hooks too, not just flowers. Flowers down here also is hook. We got the shoes, we got the L for my name. And this is a purse, guys, with my initials on it. And then this is Positively Fabulous.
What are you doing?
What I wanted to, that's what I wanted to have placed on the board. And in the bottom right hand corner, that's me smiling. So yes, you like the lipstick and Tisha with it? Okay, thank you, love you. Mwah. A second. Oh, y'all, this board is heavy. Oh, so if y'all can see, this is the hook right here. Got the flowers, we got the lipsticks down the sides, we got the shoes, and the Positively Fabulous on the side. And I got the L. Isn't this nice? Love it. Thanks again.